Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are diving deep into the fascinating world of personal finance and exploring the hidden truths about money. And I'm thrilled to have you here as we uncover the secrets to building wealth. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Before we delve into the hidden truths about money, let's quickly address the common misconception that building wealth is reserved for the privileged few. The truth is, anyone can start their journey towards financial independence, and it all begins with understanding these fundamental principles. Part 1. Financial Mindset. Building wealth starts with the right mindset. Let's discuss a few essential aspects that will help set the foundation for your financial success. Defining your goals. What do you want to achieve financially? Identifying clear and specific goals will give you a sense of purpose and direction. Embracing frugality. Living below your means and practicing frugality is crucial. It doesn't mean living a life of deprivation, but rather being mindful of your spendings and avoiding unnecessary expenses. Paying yourself first. Prioritize saving and investing by allocating a portion of your income towards your financial future before paying bills or indulging in discretionary spending. Part number 2. The power of compound interest. Now, let's unveil the magic of compound interest. Albert Einstein once referred to it as the eighth wonder of the world. Explaining compound interest. It's the interest earned on both the initial principal and accumulated interest. The longer your money stays invested, the more it grows exponentially. Start early. The earlier you start investing, the more significant impact compound interest will have on your wealth. Part number 3. Debunking debts. Debt can be a significant obstacle on your path to wealth. Let's debunk some common myths about debt. Good debt versus bad debt. Not all debt is created equal. Good debts, like a mortgage for a home or a student loan for education, can be considered investments in your future. Bad debts, such as high-interest credit card debt, can be detrimental to your financial health. Creating the debt repayment plan. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt first while maintaining minimum payments on others. Once high-interest debts are cleared, direct more funds towards other debts. Part number 4. Building multiple streams of income. Relying solely on a 9-to-5 job can limit your financial goals. Here's how you can build multiple streams of income. Side hustles and freelancing. Leverage your skills and hobbies to earn extra income through side job or freelancing. Passive income. Invest in assets that generate passive income, such as real estate, stocks, or digital products. Congratulations! You have now unlocked the hidden truths about money and learned how to start building wealth. Remember, it's not about how much money you make, but how you manage and invest it wisely. To recap, develop a strong financial mindset and set clear goals. Harness the power of compound interest by starting to invest early. Tackle your debts strategically and differentiate between good and bad debts. Diversify your income sources to create a more stable financial future. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like this video and share it with friends who might benefit from it. And, as always, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on personal finance and wealth building.